Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be doing some fixed wing FPV. This is my crack pit from Twisted Hobbies and I made a video on it previously, so I'll link that in the below, but I just flew it line of sight. It was always my intention to add a FPV camera to it, and that's what I have done. So here it is at the back here. So it took me a little while to experiment with different cameras because I was getting noise. You see the way that I've got it connected, you see here we just got a JST cable here and it's going into the 5 volt on the S port of this X4RSB. It's the 4-channel version, not the S-bus version. So I got all my servos going in there and then the 5 volt out to the camera. But I tried a lot of the little all-in-one cameras, and when you move the servos I was getting noise, so I could have put a regulator in there, but I didn't want to mess around, so I found this camera here and it's just hot glued on the tail and that is not moving anywhere. I've just hot glued the front of it because this is the camera part, this is the VTX part, and the VTX part gets hot, so you don't want hot glue on there. I've got it tilted down just a little bit. So yeah, I planned to do this ages ago. The problem is this is really an indoor model for like a sports hall or something like that, and we never get calm enough weather to fly outside with this, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I'm going to be able to do that. And I also need to see if it will fly with the extra weight on the back, because yeah, it's only about 5 grams, but this is a very lightweight model, so let's go and see if it flies. Well, these are the conditions that we wait for all year with fixed wing. Absolutely flat calm, and a model like the crack pits, this is where it's going to fly the best. So I have my FPV camera on here. I am feeling the extra weight at the back, so I'm just using a 2-cell battery here. It could do with a 3. That's full throttle. I really like this model though. Oh, beautiful conditions. Perfect for doing your hovering and stuff. It's been a while. It's fair to say I'm a little bit rusty. That the video feed's going to look interesting from that perspective. Yeah, definitely needs a bigger battery for sure. Struggling with the power a little bit. Nice on the high alpha. Yeah, this plane likes to sit in high alpha. Let's have a look at a bit of high alpha knife edge. To be too careful I don't stall it though. That is almost full throttle to get a hover. Yeah, so I think I have to take it fairly easy doing FPV. So it's doing it just about. It's just great now we've got these little tiny all-in-one cameras. Just, you can stick FPV on absolutely anything, can't you? Bit of inverted flying there, why not? Bet that's gonna look odd again on the on the FPV feed. But it's just so calm tonight for this. Perfect. Whoop, got a little bit close to myself. I try and get it close to the camera because these GoPros, as soon as it starts to get away from you, you can't see it because of the field of view, but it does mean that you get a little bit too close to yourself trying to get a good shot. I think the battery's getting close to low now. having too much fun here, but so yeah, let's bring it in for a landing and get some FPV done with it.
Holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this.